2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for small interfering RNA or siRNA therapeutics. Positive clinical outcomes, regulatory approvals, and big pharma deals are driving major biopharma and biotech players to realign their research and development efforts and investment strategies. In this report, we analyze key players, their commercial readiness, value proposition, financial implications, and conduct a sensitivity analysis projecting market performance based on clinical milestones and regulatory outcomes. In 2024, the siRNA space saw significant momentum, with Alnylam and Sanofi securing FDA approval for their siRNA drug candidate Qfitlia for the treatment of hemophilia and be building on this success. We have 4 key industry developments to watch in 2025. First, CRISPR Therapeutics and Sirius Therapeutics announced an exclusive worldwide collaboration and license agreement under which CRISPR will pay Sirius an upfront payment of $95 million plus future payments contingent on the achievement of clinical and commercial milestones. Sirius is focused on developing siRNA-based treatments for rare disorders with high unmet medical needs. Their lead asset is an siRNA-based factor sheet inhibitor that has demonstrated a greater than 93% reduction in activity. Due diligence suggests robust preclinical data on the Factor XI pathway and target product profile. Notably, Sirius recently raised $50 million in a Series C funding round, signaling strong investor confidence. We expect an IND submission by the end of Q to 2025 with a potential approval and launch in Q for 2027, assuming success. The anticoagulation therapy market represents a significant opportunity with the potential to capture 10 to 20% market share. Furthermore, Sirius's product candidate has a differentiated value proposition offering better safety profiles compared to warfarin or DOACs. We project a Sirius valuation of 2.5 to 3 times the current pre-money valuation post-phase 1 success. CRISPR stock could see 8 to 12% upside contingent on Sirius receiving the IND and generating positive early clinical data. Second, Alnylam and Sanofi initiated the global launch of Qfitlia following its FDA approval in December 2023. While initial uptake may be moderate, we project Alnylam revenues to increase by approximately $300 million annually by 2027. For Sanofi, this collaboration diversifies their rare disease pipeline, offering potential upside of 5% to their stock. Third, AbbVie entered a strategic collaboration with ADARx, a clinical-stage gene editing company focused on developing therapies for rare diseases. The deal is worth $65 million upfront plus undisclosed milestones. Due diligence suggests that ADAR's RNA editing capabilities can correct disease-causing mutations post-transcriptionally. This strategic fit will complement AbbVie's growing immunotherapy pipeline. However, given the preclinical stage of the assets, we expect minimal impact on AbbVie stock in 2025 and greater upside post-2027. Fourth, Atalanta Therapeutics, a clinical-stage gene silencing company focused on developing siRNA for the treatment of central nervous system disorders, raised $97 million in a Series B financing. Their 𝗬𝗥𝗡𝗥𝗡𝗦 siRNAs show improved durability and blood-brain barrier penetration relevant for CNS-targeted RNAi. With blue-chip VCs like F' and Polaris, Atalanta is well-funded to advance its preclinical assets into the clinic, with IND submissions expected late 2025. We see potential for first-mover advantage in the CNS siRNA delivery space and high unmet need with orphan drug designation opportunities. However, as Atlast is not publicly traded, it's difficult to quantify its impact on the broader market. An IPO could occur in 2026, and if successful, we estimate that CNS siRNA success could catalyze peer stocks such as Wave Life Sciences and Ionis by 10 to 15%. Small interfering RNAs offer high specificity gene silencing with long-lasting therapeutic effects, targeting previously undruggable genes and infrequent dosing, which improves compliance. Challenges remain, including efficient delivery mechanisms, off-target effects, and long-term safety monitoring. In conclusion, the convergence of capital influx, clinical progress, and regulatory validation is positioning 𝗬𝗓 Therapeutics as a disruptive modality in the precision medicine space. Companies successfully addressing delivery and targeting challenges will lead in the rare and chronic disease treatment market. Investors should closely monitor Qfitlia's commercial progress, Sirius's clinical data, and Atalanta's CNS delivery advancements for potential investment signals. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.